Alright, this is a 1982 Casablanca Four Seasons. It was the 747th fan made that day, and I forgot the month already. I don't know, it might have been May. I'm not sure, but it has a ventless K55 on the bottom. There's no vents. And it was converted to slumber quiet. It did not come with original blade arms. I had to use old jack. We found a set of old Jacksonville blades and blade arms. The ones from that plastic builder fan. I don't know where the fan went. I think they scrapped it. But thank goodness we kept the blades. And so I have 50-inch blade arms and blades on it. Found on Panama 5. They're a bit in rough shape, but it's a garage fan. And this is what's going to be installed for the week anyway. Here's the light kit. K4S. Thought not on a hang true either. Too lazy. So it wobbles just a bit. Not too bad though. We'll go ahead and start it on low. Forward. It does not have slow or quiet anymore. It's 3-speed, high, medium, low. However, my pewter's effort was converted and has low, medium, high. I do have the 3-speed parts to probably make it low, medium, high. But, whatever. This test mount is on our remote control now, so I just have zones 1 and 2 filled up. I need to get a spot for zone 3 for lighting. And the glass came off of my Hunter passport, and the light kit came off of the Panama that the blades came off of. The Panama was an 85. I got it from Habitat for $5. Complete, and it had W32, but it's a W11. Darn, the bearing noise coming back to it. Now that it's been left out here a day, shoot. I don't have a WD-40 with me, do I? Darn. Oh, jeez. Sounds terrible. Dang it. This is my daytime video. I have a video where it didn't have any bearing noise. I might as well just take this down. I don't see any WD-40 anywhere. Well, sorry about that. Didn't know that overnight would do that. Jeez. I think I'll have to put the passport up with me. That thing hangs kinda low. Well, it still has a better spin out time than the Delta 2 and your brother's room. Do you have any more fans I could leave out here? Oh, I do. Quantum Galaxy. I don't know if that's in running condition anymore. Switch out later. I'll have to find a way to replace that light kit. Well then, I'll run it in reverse. Wow. On level it doesn't have any noise. Poor bearings. Dang, those things are dry. I don't have any WD-40 with me, do I? I can't find it. I might have it. Well, we might have it, but I don't know. I can't find it. Well, if the bearings are crap, then I guess we'll use it as a light, because it is kind of cold outside at the moment. So, yeah. light on. That's how I have it set to. It's just the light kit. Well then. I'll figure out something. But here, let me show the remote. Ow. Come on, get off that nail. There we go. Here's that. So. Yeah, it's kind of loud because it's right up here. That white thing right there. It's the remote receiver. Well, that's my 1982 Casablanca Four Seasons, and as I said before, they did make a model called the 40666 Delta. Yeah, it's the devil's number, but it looked like this. I don't think Cam will like it though, but you can order that one. And this is not a gallery edition. It had no light kit that came with it, but I put a Harvey's Aristocrat light kit on it, and that's how I bought it. However, that one is quite short and doesn't fit the fan as well as this does, so I'm gonna put that on a Victorian or something, Panama. Oh, turn the light kit off. Yeah, that makes sense. Anyway, thank you for watching this video, and I'll try to fix the bearings, but I don't know what to put in here now. I don't have very many pull chain fans I can use. I'm not putting an IntelliTouch fan out here, no way. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed. Goodbye.